Have you come across Hikari Teeth Whitening Powder and wondered whether it's the secret to a brighter smile or simply another heavily marketed online product? With advertisements promising instant whitening, stronger enamel, cavity repair, fresher breath, and professional quality results from the comfort of your home, it's easy to see why this product has attracted attention. However, before believing the bold claims, it's important to look at what can actually be verified. Hikari Teeth Whitening Powder is promoted as an advanced dental solution capable of removing stains within minutes while also restoring damaged enamel and even repairing cavities. These promises sound impressive, but there is currently no publicly available high-quality clinical evidence demonstrating that this specific product can consistently achieve all of these results. In particular, claims about repairing cavities should be viewed carefully, since cavities generally require professional dental treatment rather than a cosmetic whitening powder. Another point worth considering is the marketing strategy used to promote the product. Some advertisements reference phrases such as NASA-developed technology or suggest dentist-backed credibility, yet verifiable supporting documentation is often missing or difficult to confirm. Customer testimonials and before and after photos also deserve a closer look because some appear heavily edited, AI-generated, or cannot be independently verified. In addition, several online buyers have reported receiving products that look different from those shown in advertisements, while others question the overall quality compared to expectations. Reports have also noted that products with a similar appearance can be found through wholesale suppliers at significantly lower prices, raising questions about branding and pricing rather than effectiveness alone. Like many online products, Hikari frequently uses countdown timers, limited time discounts, and urgency-based promotions that encourage quick purchasing decisions. None of these factors alone prove the product is ineffective, but they are reasons to research carefully before buying. Based on the information currently available, Hikari Teeth Whitening Powder relies more on bold marketing claims than independently verified scientific evidence. If you're considering purchasing it, compare multiple trusted sources, read balanced customer experiences, and remember that maintaining good oral hygiene and seeking advice from a qualified dentist remain the most reliable ways to achieve long-term dental health and a brighter smile.